Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you ready to create a stunning website? In this video, we will walk you throughout the process of building a website from scratch in Wix Studio, help you design a professional and engaging online presence. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing guys that I will highly recommend you to do, of course, is going to Wix Studio. By going to wix.com/studio, you will be able to open this page. After that, make sure that you are logged into your account and simply click on Start Creating. Now, after you do so, simply click on Try Wix Studio, and just like that, we will be answering a couple of questions. So start your journey here. How do you plan to use the platform? Let's say as a freelancer. What kind of services are you providing? Web design, continue, and here what would you like to do next? Create a site or explore your workspace. Let's start by going to start creating a website. And as you can see, just like that, we'll have to go a couple of things. So here there is a couple of templates. You can basically filter them by going right here, choosing the category, the type, the industry, features, and style. I'm going to exactly with the first one, the tech company one, and I'm gonna click on edit. There we go, and here they will start loading the page and basically the page builder for me. So all I'm gonna do right now is basically wait for this to load, and we are gonna be good to go. So here it is. Now we simply have to wait a few seconds, and here it is. So this is the website that we have at the moment, and yeah, we are now in the page builder. There's a couple of things that we have to note. So this is the page builder site. Here in the left you will have every single thing that you might need to edit the site, to add elements, to have layers. Here you will have here pages, here global selections, style, like media, app market, here's the my business, and here the CMS, and finally here code in case you would like to add like a specific code. Here in the middle, you will have your websites with the templates and all the sections in it. In the top here, you will have, first of all, your basically the dashboard and like a menu. Basically, it is a menu, not like a menu. Here next to it, you will have the page that you are on your site. For example, now I am on the home page. So if I want to change to another page, I simply have to click on one of these other pages and basically select it. Here autosave is on. Here you can switch between the POV that you have. For example, right now I am on the PC POV or the desktop. You can here change the editing size. For example, I can make it 1920 pixel, apply, and just like that the website becomes much bigger. I think that's better for me. Here you can switch it to the tablet look, and here the mobile look, so you can keep switching between them. If we have everything set here, in case you would like to upgrade your plan to the premium plan, which will give you a lot and a lot of features like adding a free custom domain, remove Wix Studio branding, and accept online payments, then of course you should upgrade your plan. Here on the left, on the right, you will have a couple of options like undo and redo. Here notifications, here the preview, and finally here the button that will allow you to publish your site. Now after we did that, all I'm gonna do is to start editing. Now for editing the sites, you can simply just hover any element and basically you will be able to edit it. For example, here I don't really like this area or these buttons, so for example I can move them around. I can even click on apply and click on delete on my keyboard and it will be deleted. Here there is these elements that I can delete as well, which are basically pictures, etc. So I can literally delete everything. I can keep the boxes. If in case I would like to remove everything like the section, I can just hover the section. Let me just make this a little bit smaller. 40. All right, so here we have other sections that we can work on. Everything here is basically editable. Let's say for example you wanted to add like a whole new section, simply just put your mouse between two sections. So the difference between them, you will be able to find this add section. So simply click on add section, then this will be created for you. In this area, you should simply choose a couple of options like choose a grid layout or design section, which is like a template already made. You simply have to go right here and choose what is this section going to be about. It is going to be a welcome, about, services, product, etc. Choose whatever fits you the best, and basically just import it with just a click of a button. Here, for example, clients, I'm going to choose this, and just like that, here it is. So these are the clients. So you can click in here and basically click on this image and replace it with whatever other image you'd like. You can even remove it in case you want, and basically just like that you will be able to keep adding media to each of these boxes as long as you want. So it's very easy. Let's show you, for example, here I would like to add something here, add media, and you will have the option to either basically have the upload media option functionality, so you can upload from computer or from the Wix account, or basically here, for example, I have a website. Let's check if it has any pictures. No, it doesn't. You can even get from Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, I think, here Google Photos, Vimeo, Flickr, DeviantArt, Dribbble, and any link that you find. Here you will have your boards, you will have trash in case you deleted any pictures and you would like to reuse them, they will be here. And this is the Shutterstock in case you would like to use Shutterstock. Here is like a shortcut for it, so you can simply just write here whatever you want and you will get it right through it. For example, I'm going to search for Instagram, and let's see if it's going to give us something. Okay, let's get this real quick. Let's choose this, and yeah, Shutterstock is not for free, so you should pay for it. As you can see, every picture will cost you some amount of money, so you have to use it. There's Unsplash. As you can see, Unsplash is, I think it's free, so you can, for example, add to page. You can add this one to your page and it will be basically added. As you can see, the picture has been added to here. So this is very easy, something to use in case you would like to add elements. Here they are. For example, here you would like to add wireframes, containers, layout tools, text, buttons, menu, media, decorative, context and forms, embedded code, input, a blog, store, etc. Everything will be there, so you have everything right through this page. Now, in case you would like to publish the site, well, once you finish everything that you have edited, simply click right here on publish, and congrats, here it is, your site. You will have a free domain with free subdomain with Wix, and just like that you published your site and it is online. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. This is how you can create your first site on Wix Studio. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.